What's up guys, Galen here with another video. Today it's gonna be a little different. I just want to talk a little bit about the best practices to get better at photography and video. The first practice that I think is really important is simply know your camera, know what every button does, and use menu mode, experiment. The second, number two, when you are going to take a picture, don't just take the picture. First, pause for a few seconds and think how you can change and show that subject in a different way. You might better change an angle and shoot lower, anything. Just pause, think about it, think twice before pressing the shutter. Number three is use the internet. YouTube, search for tutorials, watch YouTube videos with tips, with tutorials about how to take better pictures, how to take better videos. Just watch a bunch of them and learn. And this takes me to the fourth tip, and that's not everything is just being there watching videos and tutorials. The best way to learn something, almost everything, is to practice. So just go out, practice, shoot, and just take as many pictures as you can. Take video, practice and practice and practice. If you follow those steps, those practices, I promise your photos are going to get better quickly. Hope you like this video. Hope it helps you to go out there, practice more, learn, and create more. And if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video.